Chemical damage is what a local grape farmer says is destroying his crops. Now he fears a new herbicide could wipe out portions of the wine growing industry in this state.
News 3's Whitney Miller joins us now in the studio with his story. Whitney.
Well, Steve, Carla, Paul Bonarigo is the chairman of the board and the founder of the Messina Hoff Winery and Resort. Over the last 2 years, he says a dangerous chemical used to protect cotton is being oversprayed in his crops. He says it's costing him thousands, and ultimately, he believes the livelihood of his wine growing business.
So all of this was like this green berry, and then once the herbicide hit, it causes the plant to try to survive, so it aborts the fruit.
Paul Bonarigo believes the reason his grapevines are suffering in the Texas High Plains is because a nearby cotton farmer may have used a chemical known as dicamba or 2,4-D that's drifted to his grape farm.
Through no fault of us. I mean, here it is. I mean, somebody sprayed a mile and a half away, and it's affecting the vineyard again. And this is what I believe we're going to see all over the High Plains this year.
Bonarigo's vineyard supplies the grapes that make wine at Messina Hoff, but he says recent chemical damage is affecting the bottom line.
That would have been 22 acres, so 44 to 66 tons at almost $2,000 a ton. Didn't make a single grape.
The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency recently approved a new formulation of the chemical that is said to be less volatile.
According to the chemical companies, they're claiming that the new formulations won't vaporize and won't drift. So as a result, we'll have less trouble. Well, we need to find that out. I mean, we'll find out this year.
But now Bonarigo believes the problem could be more complicated than just a new formulation. That new formulation is expected to cost more, and he worries that farmers who use the chemicals won't spend the extra money. That's why Bonarigo is working with legislators to get the original products removed. In the meantime, the Texas Department of Agriculture says they are committed to protecting both industries. They've recently invited a viticulture expert from the Texas A&M system to address vineyards and pesticide use at a training for people who apply the chemicals. For now, live in the News Center, Whitney Miller, News 3.
Okay, thanks very much, Whitney.